Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the other bag that I was waiting to get to show you all with the mini Lane bag. So if you're curious about the other bag that I was debating on which one I should keep, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so the bag is in here. It's wet because it was raining outside. I'm gonna open this up. It's truly an unboxing. I just pulled the tab off the back. Now this bag has already been floating around YouTube and everybody else has gotten this bag. My good friend LV Luxe Girl, she messaged me to let me know that this bag was available. And you guys, I was on the fence about this bag and I'll go into detail why. But you can see what that is. Yes, this is the Coach Heart bag, you guys. Now, yes, this bag is pink. My dream, because I love pink bags. Alright, so there it is. Let me get this wrapping off. And this bag is wrapped very much so like the mini Lane bag, where the strap is on the outside. True Coach, I love it. This is why I always order from Coach. I've gotten some other bags from like department stores and they just come looking a mess. And they always cost more. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Okay, you guys. Man, I was hoping I wouldn't like this one. Okay, you guys. This bag, I was really hoping that I would not like it. Now, the reason I was so hesitant on this bag is because of the red trim. Now, I've shared my story about me and red bags. I have a red Coach bag that I have not carried, but I am actually going to be using that bag next weekend. So it's finally going to get its chance, its spotlight. Something fell. It's finally going to get its chance to be worn out and used, and I'm going to dress her up. I already got little poof balls and different things that go on that bag. But I was hesitant on this pink and red combination together. I almost feel like it may be limiting kind of how I can wear it. You know, I would wear this with various shades of pink. But, you know, I was kind of concerned that the red would kind of interfere with that. And this looks more, I don't know, let me get something else that's pink. The pink on this has a purple hue to it. Can you guys see that really good in my lighting? You see, it's got a purple undertone to it, a bluish. There is some blue in this pink. It's not like a true pink. I don't know what color they call this pink. We'll put it up against this. You can see that. This makes this look like a light baby pink. But there is some kind of purple, blue, black color in this. Let me unzip this. So I know a few ladies on YouTube have this bag. Oh, I can't even open it, you guys. What do you all think of this bag so far? Okay. I can't even open the zipper to even get in the bag. Let's see if that one opens. Okay, this one is opening. I was curious about phones fitting. Where is my phone? I think it's in my bag. I've got the back one open. I cannot get this front pocket open. I don't want to damage it trying to pull this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the way to open it is you have to definitely pull up when you're lifting. So pull it up to unzip it. Okay. Let me get my phone and kind of put that in here to see if that fits. I'm putting it in this back pocket here. And my phone, oh my goodness, okay you guys. I just knew my phone would not fit in this bag, you guys. I just knew it would not. I have the iPhone XS. Okay, so I still have an older model phone. I do think that if you have the larger like 12, 13 Pro Max and stuff like that, it won't fit, but you guys, it fits. Oh no. I wasn't prepared for that. Okay. A lot of things is failing. This is not a failed unboxing, but in my mind, a lot of things that I was like, I won't like this bag. It's all failing. Okay, so my phone fits in here. Wasn't prepared for that. Let me get some other items, and here's a card holder. Man, you guys, my stuff fits in here. Oh man, I'm kind of I was not prepared to keep two bags because I really like the other bag, you guys. What do you guys think so far? I have the other bag here. So far, I put like a card holder, I put a lipstick and a lip gloss in there, and that's just in the back pocket. Man, okay. So I have like pretty much all my essentials in the front pocket, and I know the bag is all wrapped up, you guys, only because remember I said I was really debating. Okay, so the front part has card holders. Okay, so this is really a thing, I think, with the card holders in the bag, so that you could really maximize the space in the bag. The inside is pretty. I really like that. Okay, I have to say, I didn't think I would like the red and the pink together, but I actually like it. I love, this feels really nice as a top handle. Let me get like a compact mirror, and I don't have my my earbuds in this, but I want to stick that in there just to see how it fits, and it fits in here, you guys. So if I had to put my earbuds in there, my earbuds would fit. So I have a, what is in here? A mirror and my earbuds, okay? So, I mean, okay, you guys, this one is a hard one because I really was not expecting, I wasn't expecting for my items to fit in here. I do like the pink. I don't have many bags with this shade of pink. You can kind of see that how that's coming across next to that bag. It does have a purple hue to it, but I like it, you guys. I have to say I like it. I have this, and I actually wrapped this bag back up because I just wrapped it back up, but I'm going to take it out and show you guys this bag again. This is like a ghetto unboxing because I didn't take off any wrapping, but there you guys go. Okay. I did wrap this bag back up just in case this one came and I liked it more. I wanted to be prepared to return it, but I want to know what you guys think about these two bags. Like, okay, they are very comparable in size. They're both mini bags. This pink is a lot lighter than this one. This is like a fuchsia. It's like a dark raspberry color trim on there. It looks very close to this red. I don't know, you guys, these bags are very close alike. This bag reminds me of the Capucines by Louis Vuitton. Okay, you guys, I think that's why I was drawn to this bag, because I liked that this was very comparable to the Capucines. It does have feet on this bag, and it just reminds me of the Capucines by Louis Vuitton. I would actually never buy a Capucines from Louis Vuitton just because the price is just way too up there for what I would want to pay for a bag. And this bag, obviously, just being the heart bag was on trend a couple of months ago for Valentine's Day. Chanel released their heart version, and of course I was not about to spend that kind of money because I've seen a lot of reviews on that, and just people were saying how their phones did not fit in that bag, but all my things fit in this right here nicely. And so I want to know what you guys think. Should I keep both? Should I return one? If I return one, which one goes back? Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you for watching this Ghetto Fabulous unboxing. Please subscribe to my channel for more Ghetto Fabulous videos, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alrighty, bye.